Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is Nusrat. I have currently completed my SSC examination from Government Mohammadpur Model School and College. Now I am learning English in English Fantasy. Here in English Fantasy, we actually learn English in a practical way, like a language. But in the institutions, in school and college, we learn English as a subject. We were just illiterate about the phonetics and spoken English in that institution. But here, we can practically learn English and learn how to present something in front of someone. Besides everything, the environment here is completely perfect to learn English. In English Fantasy, the community we get are really helpful. Here we help each other in growing, and together we play games and learn English in a funny way and apply that in our practical life. It has become my second home, and I would really suggest anyone who are interested in learning English to contact here and choose English Fantasy as your partner in this beautiful journey. Thanks for listening.